ஓம் கம் கணபதியே நமக. ஓம் சக்தி ஸ்ரீ லலிதா சகஸ்ரநாம நாமாவலி 351 to 400 with meaning. Om Vamakeshiyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is Vamakesi or one with lovely locks of hair. Om Vahni Mandala Vasinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who lives in a circle of fire. Om Bhaktimat Kalpa Latikayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is verily a Kalpataru, a wish-yielding tree of heaven that grants all the prayers of devotees. Om Pashupasha Vimochinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who releases the ignorant from their bond of ignorance. Om Samhritasesha Pashandayai Namaha. Salutations to her, the destroyer of heretics, those who are averse to spiritual values. Om Sadachara Pravirtikayai Namaha. Om Sadachara Pravirtikayai Namaha. Salutations to her who inspires men to right conduct. Om Tapa Trayagni Santapta Samaladana Chandrikaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is like moonlight that gives joy to those who are burnt by the triple fires of misery, those generated by physical, mental and supernatural causes. Om Tapa Trayagni Santapta Samahladana Chandrikayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is like moonlight that gives joy to those who are burnt by the triple fires of misery, Trayagni, those generated by physical, mental and supernatural causes. Samahladana. Om Tarunyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is ever young. Om Tapasaradhyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is adored by ascetics. Om Tanu Madhyayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is Tanu Madhya, the deity who is slender in the waist. Om Tamo Pahayai Namaha. Om Tamo Pahayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the dispeller of ignorance and aspirants. Om Chityai Namaha. Salutations to her who is Chitti, the independent power that sustains everything. Om Tatpada Lakshyarthayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is denoted by the word Tat, that. Om Chiteka Rasa Rupinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the nature of pure consciousness. Om Swatam Ananda Lavibhuta Brahma Dhyananda Santatyai Namaha. Salutations to her, a fraction of whose bliss forms the bliss manifest in Brahma and others. Om Parayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the Para or the transcendent word above the other lower stages of speech known as Pashyanti, Madhyama and Vaikari. Om Parayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the Para or the transcendent word above the lower stages of speech known as Pashyanti, Madhyama and Vaikari. Parayai. Om Pratyak Chitirupayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is in the form of consciousness turned inward when the reality is unmanifest in disillusion. Om Pasyantyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is Pashyanti or speech in the inaudible stage. Om Paradevataye Namaha. Salutations to her who is Paradevata, the object of supreme devotion. Om Madhyamayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is Madhyama or speech in the middle stage of its external expressions. Om Vaikhari Rupaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is Vaikhari, the uttered audible speech. Om Bhakta Manasa Hamsikayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the swan sporting in the Manasa lake of her devotees' minds. Om Kameshwara Prana Nadhyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the very life of her consort Kameshwara. Om Kritatnyai Namaha. Salutations to her who knows all that men do. Om Kama Pujitaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is adored by Manmata, the god of love, who dwells in the Mooladhara Chakra. Om Shringara Rasa Sampurnayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the essence of love or who lives where love in fullness is found. Om Shringara Rasa Sampurnayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the essence of love, or who lives where love in fullness is found. Om Jayayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is designated as the victorious one. Om Jalandhara Sthitayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is Vishnumukhi at the holy shrine of Jalandhara, or who dwells in the Vishuddhi Chakra. Om Udyana Pita Nilayayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is present at holy seat or Udyana, or who dwells in the Ajnana Chakra. Om Bindu Mandala Vasinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who dwells in the Brahma Randra of the individual. Om Raho Yaga Krama Radhyayai Namaha. Om Raho Yaga Krama Radhyayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is to be worshipped by secret rites. Om Rahas Tarpana Tarpitayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is gratified by secret liberations. Sadhya Prasadinayai Namaha. Salutations to her who bestows her grace immediately on being so worshipped. Om Vishwa Sakshinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the witness of everything. Om Sakshi Varjitayai Namaha. Salutations to her who has herself no witness. Om Shadanga Devata Yuktayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is accompanied by the deities of the 6 Angas, parts: heart, hair, head, eyes, armor and weapons. Om Shadgunya Pari Puritayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is endowed with the 6 good qualities in perfection. Om Nitya Klinyayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is ever compassionate. Om Nirupamayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is peerless. Om Nirvana Sukha Dayanyai Namaha. Salutations to her who confers the bliss of nirvana. Om Nitya Soda Shikarupayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the home of the 16 Nityas, Tirupura Sundari with her companions. Om Shri Kantarda Shaririniyai Namaha. Sharirinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who has a body constituting the half of Shiva. Om Shri Kantarda Sharirinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who has a body constituting the half of Shiva. Om Prabhavadyai Namaha. Om salutations to her who is endowed with the power of effulgence, Prabhavati. Om Prabharupayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the effulgence of power itself. Om Prasiddhayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the celebrated. Om Parameshwariyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the sovereign supreme. Om Moola Prakrityayai Namaha. Om Moola Prakrityai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the first cause. Om Avyaktayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the unmanifest state of the universe. Om Vyakta Swarupinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the manifest and the unmanifest states. Om Vyakta Aviktya Swarupinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the manifest and the unmanifest states. Om Vyapinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is all pervading.